guys, so today I've got a box that I've had once before that everybody seemed to really like, and that was Witchcrafts and Mysteries. Now last time she did the box she only shipped to the UK. This time she is shipping internationally, which is nice. So this box is £35 and the shipping to the UK is £2.50, or internationally it's £15 tracked. I'm not sure if the £15 covers all other countries or if that's just the USA. If you're in a different country, you might have to just check with her and ask, but I'm sure she will post anywhere now. So there is 4 different themes that you can choose from. There is bats, ghosts, cats and moons. I have a ghosts box because I prefer ghosts, and pretty much everything in these is personalised. So it does have my real name on here. If you've never seen that before, that is going to probably be featured in this box. She did also send me some extras with this as well, which I really wanted to show you guys because they were so cute. But for some bizarre reason, they were missing from my package. So either someone stole them or it was just damaged and they were lost. But it's super annoying because they were adorable. So I'll put all the information down below for her shop in case you want to go and check it out. She doesn't just do boxes, she does little like individual items as well, which are really cute. So I'm going to open this and show you what is in here. So like I said, right on top I've got a little cute coffin like label with my name on it. So I'm probably going to keep that. I think it's quite cute. And then we have this little pouch, which again has a little personalised sticker on there. And in here there is a little kind of makeup bag looking thing with my name on it and some really cute little ghosties. It zips shut, so you could use this for pretty much anything really. You could use it for makeup or toiletries, or you could even keep it in your car like a little emergency bag with like miniature makeups or deodorants or whatever you wanted in there. But that is our first little personalised item. And then there is another one here as well. So, oh cute. Okay, so this is a little notepad and it says my spooky musings at the top, and then it's got a little ghost at the bottom, which is very cute. So you could write little lists on here, or you know, to-do lists, something like that. And then we get to the box itself, which is actually really cute that it says ghosts on it. I kind of want to keep that. So the first thing right on top is this, and that is her what the shop's called, Witchcrafts and Mysteries by Alexandra. And then in here there's a little paper planchette with, I think it's a bracelet on there, like a little you can change like the size in here. It's just a little black cord and it's got a tiny little ghost and a star on there, which is really cute. I actually really like little simple bracelets like this, so that is very sweet. Little ghost bracelet. And then we have this little bag, which I think is a scrunchie. Yep, little ghosty hair scrunchie. It's black with, they look kind of like glow-in-the-dark ghosts. I'm not sure if they are or if they're just cream coloured, but I do love a hair scrunchie though. So we have that. Then we have this little pouch. I think it's got instructions in here, so I will read what it says. Oh, okay, so these are just little like ghost decals or decals, whatever you want to call them. So there is 3, oh they're not showing up very well, 3 larger ones. I know you can't see them very well because they're white on white, but there is 3 big ghosts. And then there's a sheet of all these tiny little baby ghosts. So you can stick them on literally anything. You could even stick them on like your car or something if you wanted to. But they are very, very cute little ghosties. Then next we have this, which I'm going to assume is a mug from the shape of it. And it's wrapped very well. Oh, I think it's actually a glass one, which is really cool. I love a cup or a mug. I have so many. It's actually ridiculous. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So it actually has my name on there and lots of little ghosts. It's like etched into the glass. That is amazing. I love that. I love glass cups as it is, but with my name and little ghosts on. That is adorable. Definitely my favourite item so far. And then next we have this little pouch. It's got a sparkly planchette on it. I haven't opened any of this, as you can probably tell, by the way. I did keep it so that it was kind of like a surprise. Oh, okay. So this is like a little stand, which makes me assume that something in here is going to be for the stand. Maybe this. Oh no, I think this is actually just a little drinks coaster. So it's got an L on there with some little ghosts to match my cup, which is adorable, like a little set. Love that. So maybe this last thing is to put on the little stand. Again, got a sticker with my name on, so cute. One of the things that she sent to me that got lost was actually some little personalised coasters that had me and my boyfriend's names on, and they had Universal monsters on, so they were really, really cute. The last thing we have is this, which is just like a little kind of name plaque looking like acrylic square. It's got ghosts all over it. So I'm going to assume that that's what this little stand is for, to like hold it up just like a little decor item. You could have it either way. You could have it that way or that way. But yeah, that is super, super cute. So that was everything in the Witchcrafts and Mysteries box. So I'll quickly grab everything and show you it all together at once. So we have the little notepad that says My Spooky Musings. We have the little personalised pouch with your name and the ghosts on there. It could be used for like a pencil case, toiletries, makeup, anything you want. We have the little ghost vinyl stickers that can be stuck, again, on anything really. We have the little ghost bracelet, the ghost scrunchie, hair scrunchie, the little personalised letter glass coaster, the little, I don't know if this is going to stay here while I hold it, but the little like name plaque with the ghosts on it and the little stand. And my absolute favourite item, the glass cup with the name and the ghosts on there, which I absolutely love. So all of these items in the Witchcrafts and Mysteries ghost box. Like I said, you can get 3 other different ones as well. There's bats, cats or moons if you're not really into the ghost stuff. I'll put all the information down below for her in case you want to go and check it out. She doesn't just do the boxes like I said earlier, she does do also like just separate little items, which is really cute. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below in the comments, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.